the higher energy consuming factories typically tend to be larger, and therefore the processing takes slightly longer. But typically, to deliver one of these projects, from 16 to 29 weeks. So that's the scoping audit, finalising the design, the hardware installation, the software commissioning, and system training. The typical types of cost savings once the project has been implemented. So remember, we're going back to that stage 1 and stage 2. So stage 2 has been completed, the monitoring system's in place, all that rich data is now available and usable, so we can find these opportunities, and we can start to identify the low cost, no cost types of savings. Projects that don't require any investment but can make a significant step change in your energy consumption. Then we have the investment type opportunities. These are the projects, standard technical solutions such as economizers, improved boiler control systems, improved air compressor control systems, and various other types of projects, typically with a 6 months to 3 year payback. And finally, there's the blue sky type opportunities. These are higher risk, they're longer payback, but they make a very steep, significant step change in your energy and water consumption. And you have the data to back up these opportunities. Now, I mentioned an integrated energy model. So what you're seeing on the screen here, this is an example of an integrated energy model that one of our engineers put together for a pineapple processing factory out in, I think it was Thailand or Philippines or somewhere like that. And essentially, an integrated energy model is where we're looking at the current state of the factory and what that future state may look like. So whether that's looking at how much electricity they may require from the grid, what might be achieved from wind and solar, looking at the old oil-fired boilers and what that future technology may look like, whether that's a biomass boiler, concentrated solar power, electrification of boilers. But the clever bit that our engineers did for this factory is we looked at what was previously a waste product for this factory, so waste pineapple husks. We implemented an anaerobic digester to create a biogas. That biogas could feed a CHP engine and in turn an absorption chiller. And essentially, from a previously waste product, we're now generating heat, cooling and power for that factory and making a significant change to their overall energy demand. Again, that's just an example of something we've done for a previous client. So what is Strata? So Strata is our web-based energy management platform. It's essentially a cloud utility and process optimization software, and it's developed fully in-house by Continental, by our software developers, and it has many integral industrial applications. Why people choose Strata? What are the features? What are the benefits? Well, it has real-time consumption costs, advanced targets with multiple linear regression. We have the capability to build digital twins, automatic utility maps. There's easy data collection. Essentially, we can connect to anything. So that's one of our key unique selling points for Continental. Any systems you have on site, whether they are SCADA systems, BMS systems, existing data collection systems, PLCs, we have the skills and technology experience to be able to connect all that data into Strata. There's advanced forecasting and alarms. It's integrated with multilingual